Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term soliloquy. Introduction. In the realm of drama, soliloquy and aside are powerful theatrical devices that allow playwrights to delve into the inner thoughts and emotions of characters, providing the audience with valuable insights and enhancing the dramatic experience. Soliloquy, the act of talking to oneself either silently or aloud, is particularly useful in conveying a character's motives, state of mind, and emotional turmoil. On the other hand, the aside offers a brief glimpse into a character's private thoughts or intentions, shared directly with the audience while remaining inaudible to other characters on stage. These devices have been extensively utilized throughout the history of drama, from the Elizabethan era to modern times, with significant contributions from playwrights such as Christopher Marlowe and Eugene O'Neill. Soliloquy in Dr. Faustus. One of the earliest and most famous examples of soliloquy is found in Christopher Marlowe's play Dr. Faustus, first performed in 1594. The play opens with a captivating epistolary soliloquy, setting the stage for the narrative by revealing Faustus's internal struggles and desires. Later in the play, another soliloquy captures Faustus's desperate state of mind as he attempts to escape the consequences of his dark pact. Marlowe's skillful use of soliloquy allows the audience to intimately connect with Faustus's character, fostering empathy and understanding. The iconic soliloquy in Hamlet. However, the pinnacle of dramatic soliloquy lies in William Shakespeare's masterpiece, Hamlet. The iconic soliloquy, beginning with the words "to be" or "not to be," is perhaps the most celebrated in all of literature. In this profound introspection, Hamlet contemplates the meaning of life, the pain of existence, and the possibility of death. The soliloquy not only reveals Hamlet's inner turmoil, but also addresses universal themes of human existence, making it an enduring masterpiece of dramatic expression. The role of aside in Elizabethan drama. Parallel to the soliloquy, the aside offers a different narrative tool, allowing characters to momentarily step out of the action to share their private thoughts with the audience. This convention became prevalent in Elizabethan drama and provided a mechanism for conveying information to the audience that might not be suitable for direct communication between characters. The aside is often used for comedic effect as characters reveal their true feelings or intentions while remaining oblivious to other characters. Decline and resurgence of soliloquies and asides. As drama evolved in the later 19th century, with a growing emphasis on realism and the portrayal of life's complexities, soliloquies and asides fell out of flavor. Playwrights sought more naturalistic ways to convey information and character motivations, leading to the decline of these direct address techniques. However, playwright Eugene O'Neill, known for his experimental and innovative approach, resurrected and expanded the use of aside in his play Strange Interlude. In this work, O'Neill employs asides to delve deep into the character's inner thoughts and emotions, revealing the unspoken tensions and conflicts that drive the narrative forward. Conclusion. In conclusion, soliloquy and aside have played crucial roles in shaping the dramatic experiences for audiences throughout the history of theatre. From Marlowe to Shakespeare, these devices have allowed playwrights to offer profound insights into the minds and hearts of their characters, leaving a lasting impact on the audience's understanding and engagement with the narrative. While they may have waned in popularity during certain periods, the power of soliloquy and aside as narrative tools remains timeless. So this was the discussion on the term soliloquy. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.